Hi, I'm Lisa with Advanced Orthopedic Associates. With Halloween fast approaching, we thought we'd offer you some safety tips on carving pumpkins. First of all, the safest way to decorate a pumpkin is to paint it. But if you do want to carve out a pumpkin, we have these tips to offer for you. First of all, children should not be involved with the actual carving of the pumpkin. They can help choose out the stencil to put on the front of the pumpkin and help scrape out the insides, but kids shouldn't handle knives. The first thing to do when you're carving out a pumpkin, use a sharp serrated knife for the top of it. You want to angle your knife downwards towards the bottom of the pumpkin. Don't ever cut across the pumpkin, especially with holding it, you may slip and cut your hand. Once you have the top removed, thoroughly scrape out the inside of the pumpkin, making sure to get the front wall of the pumpkin as thin as you can so that you can cut out your stencil easier. Apply the stencil to the front of your pumpkin and use either a sharp serrated knife or the small knives that come in the pumpkin carving kits to complete your stencil. If you do slip and cut your finger, apply pressure. Minor cuts should stop bleeding within 5 to 10 minutes. If it's bleeding past 10 minutes, you probably need to have that looked at, either at an emergency care center or an emergency room. If you're unable to flex or extend your finger after getting a cut to your finger, that needs to be seen right away as well. If you have any other hand problems, we have 3 hand specialists here at Advanced Orthopedic Associates to help take care of you. Dr. Morris, Dr. Gwen, and Dr. Heron would be happy to see you for any hand problems. Thanks.